Welcome to Rushlink Computers, your #1 source for technology. In today's digital world, your data is your most valuable asset. But what happens when disaster strikes? A system crash, a cyber attack, or even a simple human error can lead to the unexpected loss of your critical data. Without a solid backup and recovery plan in place, the impact can be devastating, costing time, money, and in some cases, your business reputation. At Rushlink Computers, we understand the importance of safeguarding your data. That's why we offer comprehensive data backup and recovery solutions designed to give you peace of mind. Our team provides reliable, secure, and scalable data backup solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of your business or personal data storage. Whether you need cloud-based backup, on-site solutions, or a combination of both, we ensure that your data is backed up regularly and securely. And when disaster strikes, our fast and efficient data recovery services mean that you'll spend less time worrying and more time getting back to what matters. At Rushlink Computers, we don't just back up your data, we help you recover it quickly with minimal downtime and maximum security. With our automated backups, 24/7 customer support, and scalable solutions, you can trust that your data is always safe and accessible whenever you need it. Our experts are here to guide you through every step, whether you're setting up your first backup or recovering from an unexpected event. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your data today with Rushlink Computers. Visit us at www.rushlinkcomputers.com or call 1-877-86-81987 to learn more about our data backup and recovery services. Rushlink Computers, your trusted partner in data protection.